very, very much needed. We're working on restoring Dad's films, Filmwala's films, and Junoon, Kalyug 36, Vijayata, Utsav, and we've just almost completed Junoon, and 36 has been done also, the visual part. We have to start working on the audio. But this initiative like this is really desperately needed. We need more people with knowledge and expertise on how to restore well our films. We have a fantastic heritage and it's just being allowed to just go. Disappear. Sad. Anything else?
News on the cusp board list issued by the censor board.
We are talking about film heritage or we are still talking about censor board?
What are your views on the importance of restoration of films and preservation of India?
I think it's very important because films somewhere are our heritage and they're our culture, and the only way to understand things and the time that we don't live in is through the cinema and through the culture. And I think it's very important that we preserve our films.
And what would be your opinion on the entire initiative by Film Heritage Foundation?
I think it's very much needed. I'm so happy that Shivendra Singh and Ira and the whole team, they're doing this. And the world over, they kind of, today, like for a festival, we are trying to look for print of Mother India and all the Bimal Roy films, and you can't find a restored proper print that you can screen today. I think it's so important that we have those films and they're in condition that they can be played again and again, and so that our kids or the coming generation understands where it has all evolved from. And so much more important, and I'm so happy they're doing this. Absolutely, and they've been doing that. I'm saying what Mr. Martin Scorsese's foundation has been doing, they've been restoring movies and they're being premiering again and they're being celebrated across the world. And he's doing so selflessly, picking up movies from everywhere. Last year they screened in Venice, they were screening a movie from Sri Lanka which was restored, which was otherwise would have been lost. There's so many of our own classics. I'm saying from our silent era films, probably 90% films are not there anymore. It's so important that we restore them and we understand ourselves through the cinema of the time. Whole lot of things. I'm saying everything from, say, a Kismat to a Mother India to a Pyasa. All these movies need to come out, restored. These movies are our heritage and we need to put it out there. Recently people discovered Gurudhath in Europe some 10 years back, and since then they have where did he come from? He never got his due then. I'm saying there's so much that's there that we need to restore and we need to put it out there. And yes, there are like this Deepak Cinema that these guys have started this initiative. They're showing a whole lot of world cinema that's been restored. And why not our own? I knew that was going to
But now people are kind of putting a human cry regarding the fact that the lists seem endless and for a creative person to follow all the criteria is difficult. Everybody is kind of appalled at the kind of...
I don't think so. I'm saying it came out of the blue. It came out of the blue and everybody was pretty shocked by it. But I think, every time something like that happens, people step back and look at the situation, they take stock of the situation, they realize that. And I guess tomorrow there's a big meeting happening internally of Censor Board. And there's also the meeting happening with the INB Ministry, and everybody's come together and trying to figure out a solution. Because I don't think so. I think this was just a kind of a knee-jerk thing. And the sense will prevail. I believe that sense will prevail.
You've done films where the required amount of language barrier has been crossed, or whatever they call it, or you use whole content to show your films. Do you think when it's necessary, it should be allowed? Because the cinema has to the reality.
See, it changes from film to film. What is the content of the film and what are you trying to do with your film? It keeps changing. It's not a necessary thing, but when it is very much an integral part of the film, somebody can't. I completely don't believe in any kind of censorship. And the idea that I have got talking to people, they all are trying to figure out a way to make it a ratings board. And that's what we are all looking at. So we are waiting for them to figure out among themselves. In the sense, it will be too early for me to just react like how everybody is reacting, because I have fought my battles. I understand the way censor board works much more than most people do. And I know it's not really, it's a body and what happened was unfortunate and it came out of the blue. But I think since then, enough people have reacted and sense will prevail. I think so, because I would rather wait for the meeting tomorrow to see what the board decides.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
I feel what they are doing now is a commendable effort. I mean, this should have started long time back. You won't believe some of our own films, like Parinda, we are restoring now. There are films that I have grown up, they are lost. This is something that I not only stand by, I support, and I am grateful to Shivendra for actually starting this preservation. Because see, our biggest problem with our culture, and cinema is part of our culture, that we have very little preservation culture. So actually, we are who we are because of our culture. Who we were 100 years back decides who we are today. But if we lose that, then we will lose history, we lose sense of who we are. So for me, this is one of the finest moments in my life that I'm seeing that these people are actually planning to preserve and restore old films. So I am extremely grateful to this organization. Thank you.
Does this also highlight India's efforts on the international platform?
See, we are far behind the international platform in terms of preservation. Hollywood is preserved. If you go to the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, everything is preserved. We are very late, but we are at least beginning, and that's a great thing that we have started doing something we should have done long time back. So like I said before, I'm very grateful to this organization for coming to India. Thank you. Yeah, there is so much. We have actually, we are releasing books on Guru Dutt on next week. I think day after tomorrow. Chaudhary Ka Chand, we have done Kagaz Ke Phool, Sahib Bibi Aur Ghulam. Now all these movies are movies that we studied, we grew up with. But our young generation, of course, will not only, even if they wish to go back and study, these movies are not available. They are finished, they are gone, they are dead. You imagine that culturally, if I was to tell you that you cannot go back to study your own history, who you are. And cinema really is what has made us who we are, because it has represented our society and it has actually shaped who we are. We still sing Hindi. I mean, I sing Hindi film songs when I'm having a shower. And that culture has to be preserved for us to even discover who we are today. How do you know who you are unless you have a history? And if the history is lost, we've lost everything. So I am very grateful to this organization. See, let me tell you a story about PK, which we have told the government. Actually, one of the members came on the shoot of PK and told us that if we took care of him, he will take care of us. We, being the people we are, we asked him to leave the sets. And then we were appalled to see the same guy sitting in the committee. And actually it was this man who tried to create trouble for us, but this man had actually come on the sets. And we have informed the government. I hope and pray they take action. This is how we were in trouble, because there was a man we did not bribe at the time when he came to our set. Having said that, I feel creatively people have to understand that it's the job of the artist to actually express himself through art. And I think any kind of gagging beyond a point is extremely unwarranted. And we have the whole world. I mean, look at Hollywood. They make movies, and if the movies are not good enough to be shown to the kids, they say, don't show it to the kids. If they want to give it, restrict, they restrict. Otherwise, it's only for... So you can use categories like that to make sure certain movies are not seen by young people or families. But you cannot gag an artist by saying that, don't say what you want to say. I mean, if I want to criticize the system, of course I should be allowed. I find it very primitive way of controlling feelings, and it's a very primitive way of saying, hey, don't do this, don't. I mean, primitive is the only word that comes to my mind. It's a sad state of affairs. It needs to be fixed. That's it. Now you're going from movies to some other territory.
But, I mean,
See, for me, all expression should be free. And anybody who feels offended with that expression should not see that expression. I mean, I don't go on YouTube to see many things you people are talking about because it offends me. Really, it does. So I don't have to see it. If it offends you, don't see it. And if you see it and get offended, and if you feel that certain people, I mean, kids, I have kids at home. They don't have free access to YouTube. You have to make sure that your family, people who are younger, are taken care of. Certain things they should not be exposed to. But to say that to actually gag people or gag any artist in any activity seems to be like a, I mean, it's like a, I don't support that. Thank you.
So much.
It's the restoration and preservation of films in India.
I think for posterity is most important. There has been no effort made to keep the film industry alive for the next generations. There have been only one person I know that has worked in the Film Institute of India, Mr. Nair, who has been working tirelessly towards this. I think it's a very good move, and we are contributing to this movement, and I hope that it brings a lot of success. Has any of your films lost forever? I don't know, and which is why we are here, because we don't know how many films have been lost and whether they are being preserved or not. But Shiven Singh is here, who is in charge of, made this initiative, and we really went through an entire list of what are the films that are in danger of being lost. I have named a few that need to be restored. I'm sure that, and hopefully, many more will come forward to give their contribution to restore these films.
यूनियन गवर्नमेंट बजट पेश करने वाली है।
हाँ जी।
क्या अपेक्षाएं हैं सर बजट से?
पता नहीं उसका ये इस कार्यक्रम के साथ क्या संबंध होगा, ये बाद में पता चलेगा।
ये हमारा एक शो है जो हम हर साल करते हैं, और ये डांस को शोकेस करने के लिए होता है। बहुत मेहनत लगती है इसको करने में, और लोगों ने 5-5, 6-6 महीने लगाए हैं ये शो करने के लिए। ये 1-2 दिन का काम नहीं है, लोग 5-6 महीने लगाते हैं इसे कोशिश करने में, और हमने बहुत एफर्ट डाला हुआ है। आप देखेंगे सालसा देखेंगे, बचाता देखेंगे, चाचा देखेंगे, रुएदा देखेंगे, सब कुछ देखेंगे। इसमें बॉलीवुड भी है, हिप हॉप भी है, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको अच्छा लगेगा।
बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ भी आने वाले हैं आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे, और आपका भी परफॉर्मेंस है, तो क्या स्माइली का भी देखने मिलेगा परफॉर्मेंस हमें आज?
एक्चुअली ये मैं आपको बताना नहीं चाहता था। मैं उसे इम्प्रॉम्प्टू स्टेज पे बुलाने वाला हूँ और हम कुछ करने वाले स्टेज पे। उसे भी आइडिया नहीं है, और नेचुरली वो मेरी वाइफ है, और उसके बिना ये शो अधूरा है। तो वो भी ये शो में परफॉर्म करने वाली थी, लेकिन उन्हें बहुत कमिटमेंट्स थे पर्सनल फॉर वर्क, तो वो नहीं आ पाई, वो नहीं कर पाई। लेकिन वो एज़ यूजुअल हमें सपोर्ट करने के लिए आई हैं, और उनके बिना ये शो कंप्लीट करना तो एब्सोल्युटली अधूरा है। तो मैं उन्हें बिल्कुल स्टेज पे बुलाऊंगा, बीच में उन्हें सरप्राइज़ कर दूंगा, और हम कुछ करेंगे इम्प्रॉम्प्टू। ये डांस फॉर्म सोशल होते हैं, इम्प्रॉम्प्टू होते हैं, तो हम करेंगे, कुछ करेंगे।
एक शो जब तैयार होता है उसके लिए इतनी मेहनत होती है, इतना सारा और मतलब बहुत सारी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, और जब एंड ऑफ द डे होता है, तैयारी हो जाती है, शो करना है, उस टाइम पे हार्ट में होता है हलचल, मतलब क्या कर रहे हैं अभी आप?
लोगों ने तो अंदर बात करना बंद कर दिया, वो लोग शांत हो गए हैं। जो लोग इतनी आवाज़ करते हैं तो शांत बोलते कि मुझे नहीं पता अंदर से क्या फील हो रहा है। वो लोग का 500 लोग जो सामने बैठे हुए हैं, लाइट्स आ गई है, कैमरा आ गया है, स्टेज सेटअप हो गया है, कॉस्ट्यूम पहन लिया, मेकअप पहन लिया, और अब सब कुछ सिंक हो रहा है। जब तक वो रिहर्स कर रहे थे तब तक ठीक है, चलो हम परफॉर्म करेंगे, लेकिन अब स्लोली वो सिंक इन हो रहा है। तो फीलिंग बहुत एक्साइटिंग है सबको। और मुझे एक चीज़ मालूम है कि जैसे ये सब खत्म हो जाएगा, जो 6 महीने में उन्होंने सब कुछ किया है, जो हमारे झगड़े हुए हैं, गुस्सा हुआ है, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हुए हैं, सब कुछ एक साथ किया है, वो सब कुछ एक वॉइड हो जाएगा। कि अभी वो कल देखेंगे कि अभी हम क्या करें, अगली बार अभी कहाँ जाए, रिहर्सल तो है नहीं, सब बंद हो गया, शो खत्म हो गया, तो ऐसा फीलिंग आएगा।
आज आप कौन सा अपनी
मेरी तो फोर्टे पार्टनर डांसिंग है, सालसा, बचाता, चाचा, रुएदा, ये सब। लेकिन खैर ये मेरे स्टूडेंट्स का शोकेस है, तो मैं बहुत कम परफॉर्मेंसेस में हूँ। मैं बिलीव करता हूँ कि अगर ये मेरे स्टूडेंट्स का शो है और ये एनुअल शोकेस है उनका, तो उन्हें हाईलाइट करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। तो हम उस बीच में जाकर थोड़ा सा खुद का शो करना सही नहीं होता है। हमारा शो अलग होता है, हम अलग तरीके से परफॉर्मेंस करते हैं। बट ऑफ कोर्स आप मुझे स्टेज में देखेंगे, जहाँ एक लड़का कम था, लड़की कम थी, मैं घुस गया वहाँ पे परफॉर्म करने के लिए।
अच्छा, पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में पूछना चाहूँगी। शादी हुई, आपकी मैरिज लाइफ कैसी चल रही है? कितना मज़ा आ रहा है इस फाइली के साथ लाइफ?
यार शादी मत करो यार, बहुत मुश्किल काम है। और नहीं, खैर मैं तो मजाक कर रहा हूँ। इट इज़ ऑसम टू बी विद स्माइली। हम लोग एक दूसरे को काफ़ी टाइम से जानते थे, डांस के वजह से मिले हैं। तो एक तरीके का चेंज आ जाता है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ बढ़ जाते हैं, बट हर कोई इसके दौर से गुजरता है, तो हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि सब कुछ अच्छा हो।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू। मैं बाबू अंदर
Put a big round of applause for these guys. Come on. Aren't they awesome? Did you
Bring It On, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में?
वेल ब्रिंग इट ऑन दिलीप गंगेरा मेरे हस्बैंड का शो है। ये दूसरा साल है। पहले साल में मैंने अमित दोनावत ने हम सब ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था और उसके बाद मेरी शादी हो गई। तो आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ विनीत। ही इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सालसा टीचर्स एंड इस शो में ना सिर्फ सालसा हुआ है, हिप हॉप हुआ है। It's a very good school for people to come. Like you can see, there are a lot of students. मतलब स्टूडेंट लेवल का शो है, उनका एनुअल शो है। तो जो उन्होंने सीखा डांस सेंटर में विनीत वगैरह के साथ, all that they have showcased. So I think it's a very good platform and I think it's a great show.
हाँ, पिछले 6 मंथ से शूटिंग मतलब इसकी तैयारी चल रही है, सारी चीज़ें हो रही है, फाइनल डे आ गया है। विनीत तो बिजी हैं, आपको कैसा लग रहा है विनीत के साथ साथ? अच्छा वो दिन आ गया जब हमको शो करना है।
नहीं, मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ। वो काफ़ी बिजी रहा है ये 6 महीने। आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट विनीत हैज़ नॉट स्लेप्ट। इतना हो गया था कि मैंने सोचा थोड़ी देर उसको अकेले छोड़ दूँ, तो आई वेंट अवे टू सिंगापुर। बट आई नो ही हैज़ वर्क वेरी हार्ड एंड हिज हार्ड वर्क हैज़ पेड ऑफ। यू विल सी, मतलब मेहनत सबकी रंग लाई और ये होता है। आई थिंक ये 6 महीने जो प्रेपरेशन के थे उसके स्टूडेंट्स के, उसके इंस्ट्रक्टर्स के, वो अब रंग ला रही है।
अच्छा, एक पर्सनल बात है, शादी हो चुकी है आपकी, कैसा फील हो रहा है? 8 महीने हो चुके आपको?
6 महीने।
6 महीने
अभी हुआ है। एक्चुअली पता ही नहीं चल रहा है 6 महीने कैसे जा रहे हैं, बस नाचते हुए चल रहे हैं। बट स्लोली जब रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी हम जीते हैं, थोड़ी नोक झोंक होती है, आपको पता चलता है किसी के साथ रह रहे हो, तब पता चलता है हाँ शादी हुई है, ये होती शादी।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।